Hi interior design fans! In this video we are going to talk about the Shell Pot by Ferm Living. We will answer the question, who is it for? And if you want to know what we think about it, please make sure that you stay till the end of the video and don't miss our review. The company Ferm Living was founded in the mid-2000s in Copenhagen, and it has grown from a small design studio to a globally recognized brand for interior design products. The Ferm Living Shell Pot came out in the year 2019 and it was introduced in their autumn-winter collection. The design behind this product was made by the internal Ferm Living design team and it was under direction of the founder Trine Andersen. As you can see, the design is inspired by a nautilus shell. And this is exactly what makes this product so special. Because of its organic and natural shape, it's something that stands in contrast to our more geometrical and straight looking furniture that we have in our homes. This product is not only a shell pot, it's a decorative, sculptural art object for our homes. Also interesting behind this product is the craftsmanship and the complicated manufacturing process, which I want to show you now on the Ferm Living website. Crafted in Chaozhou through a slip casting process, each shell pot is hand trimmed by artisans to perfect its delicate nautilus-inspired ridges. After a high temperature initial firing, the interior is glazed by hand for a functional finish. The final 12-hour firing ensures the sculptural piece is as durable as it's elegant. And with this we come to the review of our product. Our categories are design, quality and price. First, let's talk about the design of this product. As I already mentioned, this product is inspired by a nautilus shell, and this is why it feels and looks very organic and natural to me. If you take a closer look at the surface, you will see that the lines are very fine and detailed. And also it's important to mention that the surface is outside the shell pot, it is unglazed. And because of that, it feels and looks also very natural. You could say it looks really almost like a shell, but inside it is glazed. You will see also a little bit maybe the reflection here in the light. And this has the advantage or the purpose that you can use it actually as a flower pot. So you can put your favorite flowers inside, but many people keep this product also as a decorative object in their homes, even without flowers. And also I have seen other usages of this product that, for example, also people put like a wine or a champagne bottle in it for special occasions. So it's really very versatile how you can use it. And in my opinion, this is also a product that looks very sculptural and also, you can say almost like an art object. And I think this idea that you use this organic shape and you put this shell pot on your furniture at home, which is mostly has more like straight lines and is more like geometrical design. I think this is very nice in contrast, and I think the concept of this product works super well. And also, in my opinion, is something that is timeless. You can really see this product already now since almost 7 years, and it's also something that brings a lot of elegance in our homes. So my rating for the design of the Ferm Living Shell Pot is a 5 out of 5 stars. In our next category, we are going to talk about the quality of this product. In my opinion, it feels like a high quality stoneware. And also it's very nice if you touch the surface of the glazed material inside. It feels very smooth, and from the outside it feels more rough and natural. And also I can tell you that the walls of this product are pretty thick, and I think in general, of course, you need to keep in mind that this product, if it falls down, that is stoneware, it will break. But in general it feels very strong and also rigid. And what I also want to mention is I already showed you their production process on the website, and they tell that the first production process, it comes out from a mold, and then actually people are shaping the rest of the product, let's say maybe some edges. And I can also tell you that from that I don't see any irregularities or mistakes in it. So also the finish and the quality seems super nice. And yeah, as you can see here from the bottom, it has more like a flat surface that you can place it on your furniture or on your table. And yeah, you can see here the Ferm Living logo that is also printed on the shell pot. The only thing that I could think about it, but I'm not so sure if it is possible, because I don't know how you can combine the materials. But one thing is, because I said the material outside is very rough, it could happen that you maybe, if you don't pay so much attention, that you put scratches in your furniture if you move it like this. So it would have been nice maybe to put here something that bewares the surface of your wooden furniture, for example, from scratches. But I'm also not the expert in this manufacturing process. I'm not sure if that is even possible. But yeah, it's a small idea. Maybe they could check in the future. But all in all, the quality, I really don't have any criticism here. It's really nice, and I want to give the quality of this product also 5 out of 5 stars. In our last category, we are going to talk about the price. The Ferm Living Shell Pot is only available in one size and only in the color off-white that you can see here in the video. And at the moment on the Ferm Living website, it costs 99 euros. So what do I think about the price? Is it a fair price for this product? In my opinion, yes, because the product, as I already said in the video, feels really like a high quality product. And I would also say that this product has already the status of a well-known and also popular design and sculptural object for your home, and also it brings a lot of elegance in your home for your design. So, and also if you compare it to other shell pots, there are many shell pots from popular design brands which are way more expensive than 99 euros. So I think it's also a fair price, and I think also that they did not increase the price so much over the years, because I told you already it's available since 2019. So let me know in the comments, what do you think about this product and about the price? I would rate the price also with a 5 out of 5 stars. So this is the end of our video. I want to mention again that this channel is not sponsored and no one sends us this product. So even if I gave 5 out of 5 stars, this is my honest opinion about it. And yeah, please let me know in the comments what you think about the Ferm Living Shell Pot, and see you next time.